Next up in the 2020 collection, we have 3 new beads and we have some pre-assembled necklaces. So start out with the beads. There's 3 different designs. You've seen it a couple times already in the samples. It has a nice wide hole that you can put leather through, wax on and cord, and it comes in these 4 plates. Another design are these nice oval shapes. I really like having this combination of a real textured piece next to a smooth piece. It just adds a lot of differentiation in your designs as well as faceted. So these also have really wide holes for you to put the leather cord through. Several of our chains fit through here. They're just super fun to design with and create with. And I have lots of samples to show you. These are cast in lead-free pewter and then plated in the 4 plates and then oxidized to give them this finished look. These are very underspoken, but I am super excited about offering these. It took us a while to get this down to a price point that is very, very reasonable and will make your job so much easier because you don't have to assemble these. Plus, this is such fine chain that these links now, these jump rings that we add on, these are now soldered onto this piece. So this is a very sturdy chain and it has the nice lobster clasp on it. So check out the price point on these. I think you'll be very happy with this. This is going to cut way down on your assemblage. I think that these are going to be a very big time saver and money saver for us and for you because it's already pre-assembled. Super easy just to add a simple accent on this and you have a product that is going to sell. This is a brass soldered chain. These are our jump rings. These are brass jump rings and lobster clasp, which is also brass. And then these are all plated in the 4 different plates that we offer. The 24 karat gold, the copper, and the fine silver, the 0.99 fine silver, both antique and in sterling. It comes in 2 different types of chain. This is the second chain, but most of them are more of a fine chain. This again has those soldered links that I talked about and the jump ring. So very sturdy and great price point. See the sidebar over there to get the link to give you more information on both of these items. Here are some examples of the beads, incorporating either flat tags, bezels, or just standalone. This is just so sweet. I mean, just adding on a simple bead onto a chain and you have a great necklace. Here is just an accent, drawing in some color, because we had some copper of the glitter rocks down in this piece here, and then just tying that in with a little bit of color using the bead up here. These pieces are super fun to design, using this elongated piece to give it just more dimension. So you can see what it looks like with a bezel. You can see with it just adding a charm on the bottom with a little bead accent, adding it with another bead accent. So super fun. Here are some more examples of using the beads. This is more rectangle bead. Actually, here I have a charm bracelet that I've just converted into the necklace, and then for the toggle clasp, I just have that there, but you can see one of the charms. So just showing knotting with the charm, adding all kinds of variety of the different Nunn Design beads, some of the new ones, some of the old ones, and how they play together nicely. Here's another example of the new ones with the old ones and how they play together nicely. And how I used it actually, this one bead as a toggle on this particular necklace.